Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AWeber account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a sign up form with your AWeber account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a sign up form with AWeber anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to gather emails from your users, and with AWeber, you can set up a sign up form and embed the HTML directly into your website to gather those emails. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AWeber dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my AWeber account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and set up a sign up form, what you're going to do is on the left menu, you're going to click on Pages and Forms. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to click here on Sign Up Forms. Okay, once you do that, AWeber is going to give you a little bit of information about their sign up forms, but what you want to do is click right here, Create a Sign Up Form. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two options for your website or a landing page. For me, I'm going to go ahead and create a sign up form to embed onto my website. So I'm going to click here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be brought into the sign up form builder. So the cool thing about AWeber is they have all these templates. So you can kind of scroll through here and see if one fits your particular niche. So for example, we got a sale right here. And once you find one that you like, you can go ahead and load template, and it's going to load up down here. So by default, this one has the name and the email. Usually that's all I'm going to put, because if you start adding in a lot of different information, it's going to detract a lot of people from filling out your form, but that's really up to you, and it depends on your situation. If you need to add more information, you can go ahead and click up here. So for example, if I want their address, I can click there. Now, if you accidentally add a field that you don't need, all you do is just click on the field. So for example, address, and down here, you're going to see delete. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, now it's just the name and the email. If you need some sort of a custom field, you can click right here. And let's just say this one is how many tacos. Okay, next. And then you can choose text input. So that way we can go ahead and type it in, and then save field. So this sign up form is going to ask them their name, their email, and then how many tacos. And that way they can go ahead and submit. Now you can actually edit this. It's just like a Facebook page. So you just click on here. And then for example, if I don't want it to say name, I can click on the pencil icon. Okay. And then we can change this from name to, let's say, cool name. All right. And then email, we can go ahead and change that to your email. Now, these other elements you can go ahead and add up there as well. So if you need to add a privacy policy, you can go ahead and click in there and add that. If you want to add an image, just click on Add Image. And let's see here. This is where the image is going to be. If we want to move it around, we can go ahead and drag it right up. So maybe we'll put the image on the top, and then we can align that to the center. And let me go ahead and add an image. Okay, I just chose a general image. So let me go ahead and click on it. And you can see we added an image into our sign up page. So for me, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to click on Settings. Okay, and then the web form page, we're going to say, let's see here, how many tacos sign up form. Go ahead and set up the thank you page. So this is going to be a thank you page. You can reroute them to a URL if you want to do that as well. For me, I'll leave it on the thank you page. Okay. And let me go ahead and click on go to step 3. You want to go ahead and choose how you're going to use this form. So if you're going to install it onto your own form, you can get this HTML code. So let me click here. Okay. So here is the HTML code. So here you can go ahead and embed this HTML directly into your website. So that way, when someone lands on that particular page that you install this, they're going to see your sign up form. If you need help embedding HTML, you're going to need to talk to your web developer, but usually it's pretty easy. All you're going to do is just look for the snippet to add or embed HTML into your website. So let me go ahead and show you where all the sign up forms are. You click right here, view all sign up forms. Okay, so here is my sign up form that we just created. Let me click on preview. Okay, so here it is. So there is the general image that we put together, and then their name, their email, and then how many tacos, and then submit. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an email sign up form inside your AWeber account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.